It's April 7th. We're at the Limelight in Snowmass. We're spending a few nights here, enjoying the skiing. But let's take a look at the room. I got my luggage and skis on the cart right now, but let's take a look inside. Look at this shower. Newly built, this Limelight, a couple years ago. Fantastic shower. Beautiful tile. Nice area in here. There we go. This is the bathroom this year. There I am. Excellent. So here we go. We're heading into the Limelight Snowmass. Got to bring your skis. Lots of luggage. You got bathrobes. Lots of hangers. The safe. Extra pillow. Make sure to bring your skis. But if you don't, we got skis for you. Here we go with the coffee maker, microwave. We got some dishes, glasses, and let's walk into the room. Fantastic. Fantastic. There's a beautiful king-size bed. Everything you need. Air conditioning and heat. Here we are, the Limelight, and we'll walk around this afternoon and tomorrow and show you where we're located. But we're right next to the gondola, the ice skating rink, restaurants, shops. There's a connecting door. Put the kids in there. What do you think? Give me a call. It's Brian, 970-485-4091. And we are here in the spring. I was just skiing Aspen Highlands. Place is fantastic. Snow. Good afternoon, evening events. So let's enjoy our evening. Give me a call. Let me get you into a room with a king-size bed or 2 queen-size beds or many, many other options. Talk to you later. 970-485-4091.